Today, we are turning the V4 into a Superleggera. YouTube, what's up? No, that's trash. What's going on today, YouTube? Yeah, right. Do I sound like, do I look like Jake Paul? No, what's going on, YouTube? How y'all doing? It's your boy BWL Dom, and it's our first YouTube video, so I apologize if shit is up or just doesn't sound correct or isn't up to par with what people are usually used to. Just getting things started off, we put the poll up on Instagram, checked with a few people, asked what people thought, if we should make a YouTube channel for the BWL V4 and the other bikes that we have in the fleet. And it was a resounding yes. So we decided to go through with it. I keep looking at myself because I'm trying to figure out to make sure if I look stupid or not. But I think we look alright. I think we look okay. First, we just want to show y'all the bike. Gotta make sure it looks good because, you know, want to show y'all what's up. Show y'all some cool little goodies that we got so far. You know what's funny? Everybody keeps telling me this shit is upside down, but I like it like this. Like, I know it's supposed to go underneath and shit, but I like it going over the top. Like, that's my personal preference. Yeah, I'm sure functionality wise it would probably be better going underneath, but I don't give a anyway, moving on. So yeah, we got the cool little bar aim mirror. We changed the grips. I changed, yeah, but this shit is mad annoying because this one seems to kind of slide around a little bit every now and again. But that's alright. We're gonna keep it pushing. We got the clear clutch cover, which is probably the best thing on the bike thus far. It looks absolutely phenomenal. But I digress. As the title of the video says, today we are turning the V4 into a Superleggera. Now, yeah, I know. I don't want to hear it. Don't be in my ass talking about some, man, that don't make no sense. Yeah, I know, but so turning into a Superleggera, cosmetically wise. So you guys will see what I mean by that once we get over to the shop that we're doing it at. Best shop in OC, Lap Motorsports. So yeah, that's the plan today. We gotta go meet up with another BWL member first, and then we're gonna head on over there. So let's get it cracking. Let's get it moving. I haven't even warmed the bike up yet, so now I feel kind of stupid starting this bitch up, and I gotta let it sit for at least like 2 minutes. So me. It's a really nice day out here in Southern California. Look at that. That shit is crazy nice. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna go meet up with BH first. Your boy hungry, we might go get something to eat afterwards. Might pull a sub D, you know, go get a nice little snack to eat. Yeah, anyways, let's go. I'm wasting a lot of time. So like I said, we're heading over to BH's house, who is a fellow member of the BWL crew. So that's what I need y'all to do though. We're trying to talk Michael. So that's what I need y'all to do. We are trying to talk BH into getting a new R1. This bike is sick as it is, but you know, never, you know, get a nice little upgrade, little upgrade. You feel me? But anyway, okay. So you just want to stop in the middle of the road and kill us all, and we here. Yes, BH lives right down the damn street. I'm just trying to get my pee-pee sucked. Yeah. Damn, how you see? That shit is in the way.
Private street, don't you understand, bitch?
Hello? Yo, what's up, bro? I'm right around the corner. I'm coming right now.
Alright, give me 1 second, bro, because I took off. I really need to use the restroom. Is there a restroom there?
Yeah, they got a bathroom in there.
Alright, for sure, bro. I'm coming back. You didn't answer that I really need to go to the restroom, but I'm coming back right now.
All right, for sure. Yeah, they got a bathroom in there. It's a shop.
The other thing is sent me, it looks like a gym.
A what?
It looks like a gym. There's a phone in the back.
Yeah, go back to the address I sent you, and then I'll meet you there.
Okay.
All right. This had to use it. Had to go. That had to use it. This had to dookie. Hmm? Yeah. That is it. That gotta use it so bad. Got a dookie so bad. He's so bad. He's so bad. He's so bad. Bro, finna dookie in his drawers. It's finna be a wrap for him. The boo boo was on exit mode. You're prairie dogging it.
Hell yeah.
Jesus Christ. And here comes BH on a Super Dub 2014 R1. We're running over masks and
What it do, man? It's BH. Don't laugh at me. This is the 2014, the sexiest R1 of them all. The new ones. You'll never be able to get this one ever again. I'll never make into one of these babies. And then you got the ugly Ducati over there.
yeah, fuck you.
Comes in second place
Still faster.
to this one, baby. Alright, let's get the out of here.
Alright.
MotoGP.
Shut the up. I need somebody to like come up with some form of statistics for MotoGP that somehow makes Ducati look better.
Well, they do have one of the best launch systems in MotoGP.
This wind is terrible.
Yeah.
But where the f is the wind coming from? That's the thing. That's the stupidest question I've probably ever asked in my life. Where is the wind coming from?
Mother Nature. I mean, there's not really such thing as a stupid question, if we're being honest. Because where does wind come? Does it come from the clouds? Does it come from just air? Like, does it just poof? Like, where does it form from?
I don't know. It might be my vent.
Oh, the front one?
Maybe.
Yeah, I think my shit's closed. I noticed when I had mine open before, I did it once with it open and then once with it closed. It's a little bit more windier.
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 Would it be more windy? Is windier a word?
Windier? More windy?
More windy. Windier.
I think it's more windy.
More windier.
I don't think windier is a word. More windy. More windier. Wind. Maybe it is windier. I don't know. Anyways, when it was open, it was more windy or more windier.
There were more conversations about whether it's windy or windier.
I think it is more windy. I don't think windier is a word.
I mean, it sounds like it could be though.
Yeah, it does. Definitely does. But it feels kind of funky coming off the tongue.
Windier. Windy.
Windier.
Windidi.
Windier.
Windidi. Windri. So we're here. What's good, bro? Yep.
Edwin, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, bro.
BH.
Edwin,
Nice to meet you, bro.
What's your name?
BH.
BH?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, they just broke, and I'm starting to daily it now, so I gotta get that fixed ASAP.
Damn.
So I told him, so I'm gonna see what.
Yeah, he'll fix it for you. Yeah, David and Jimmy, they'll get it down for you.
Yeah, I was already talking to them. Cool guys, man. Cool guys.
Yeah, super dope.
Yeah,
Super
man.
authentic.
What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Yeah. Oh, yeah. If you ever need the best work done in Orange County for a motorcycle, you better visit these guys right here. Fresh shop, clean shop, great customer service, cool people. Just all about the bike lifestyle. Best shop in Orange County right there, baby.
So what's up, guys? We're here over at Lap, getting it in, getting the video, getting the bike all prepped and ready to get transformed. Jimmy over here looking at me looking stupid because I'm doing this bullshit ass recording. So you see we got the parts all laid out, getting the bike prepped, getting it ready. So yeah, guys, without further ado, turning the V4 into a Superleggera. So I will throw the Montage in and you guys will hear from us again. There's BH over there. You hear from me again once the bike's all done. So we're gonna throw the Montage in right now. Boom, the mother. Toronto Pro. And the bike is done. Full conversion kit, quote unquote. We have turned the V4 into a Superleggera. Look at that shit. Here's the man himself who owns the shop. Big David. Having a conversation right now. But as you guys can see, look at that. Looks great. I'm so happy with it. Big shout out to Lambert Motorsports here in Lake Forest, California. If you guys are looking for a shop and you're in SoCal, definitely come over here. Let them know you want to get some work done on your motorcycle. They'll hook you up. So yeah, guys, that is it for the video today. Stay tuned for more crazy ass projects. We got some shit coming for R1 that we got planned. We got more shit coming for V4. More parts, more carbon, more shit that we have planned doing. Stay tuned. Ride hard, live fast. No limits. We out. He's so